Hi friends, welcome to Steno-Type YouTube channel.
Friends, I am happy to be with you to open this lecture session. At the beginning, let me thank you, Mr. Chairman, for giving me this opportunity. When I was asked to open this session, I readily agreed, and today, while with you, I am very happy. I would like to say a few words about this organization. Thanks to the work of the founders, this organization today is doing great service in the field of shorthand, as has been the case with all such organizations. It had also gone through difficult times, but nevertheless, it had continued to work for the great cause. I should say in this behalf that it was all owing to the devotion and dedication of few leading persons like your chairman. Today, this organization is having an important part to play in the development of the field of shorthand. Festivals come once in a year to give us happiness and pleasure. Similarly, it is the custom of this organization to hold tests and lecture classes for the advantage of boys and girls appearing for government tests. These tests will give you the well needed opportunity to gain the first hand experience of a test. I am glad to note that this year the tests are being held all over the state. However, classes are being held only in this city, and it was not possible to organize them in other places owing to many reasons. I would say that we may check the idea of holding classes in some other important cities also. I would request the principals of commercial schools to give their full support in this regard, so that boys and girls from outside this place can take advantage. I wish your organization all success in the years to come. Thank you. Dear sirs, it is now several months since you had any dealings with us, although in the past years our business with you was extensive. As we are not sure of the reasons for your silence, we would like to know if there is any special reasons for a pause in our relations. We are always willing to satisfy each and all of our customers, large buyers or small, and it worries us to think you have some cause for this silence. If you think that our goods or services faulty, please write and state your complaint, and if we can, we shall be only too glad to set things all right. Hoping to hear from you soon. Yours faithfully.